Fala galera, tudo bem com vocês? Galera, como prometido, hoje a gente vai voar o Icon A5, o avião anfíbio aí mais moderno do mundo, bem bonito, muita gente esperando esse vídeo, né? Pra quem não viu o vídeo anterior, tá aqui no cardzinho. Eu e a Suzane Clevet, piloto, demonstradora da Icon, mostramos aí vários detalhes do avião, mostrando por fora, por dentro, asa que dobra, como desdobra, aquele painel que mais parece um painel de carro, né? Todos os detalhes estão nesse vídeo aqui, vai lá, confere que eu tenho certeza que vocês vão gostar. E se vocês já viram o vídeo com os detalhes do Icon A5, então vou pro nosso voo finalmente, mas antes, galera, dá o joinha, se inscreva no canal, conteúdo internacional, exclusivo aqui no Brasil, galera. Então, ó, joinha, se inscreva no canal. E sem mais delongas, vamos para o nosso voo. Vou tentar deixar ele o mais completo possível. Foi um voo de demonstração, mas eu tenho certeza que vocês vão gostar. Eu já vou cortar direto para o nosso cheque pré-acionamento.
So what I did was I lowered the canopy. We have this latch that we like to close. If it wasn't cold outside, I could even keep the canopy open a little bit to let air in. But since it's cold outside, I'm keeping the air out. We have our seatbelts on, we have our headsets on, electrical switches are all off for master switch on, which I already turned on so that we can hear ourselves. We're going to test to make sure all of these work. They do. Important before we start the engine, we want to make sure that our wing and our tail is secure, especially since I pulled the wing off and put it back on. That will illuminate if there is a miss in the connection.
Okay.
We're going to check to make sure our gear's in the down position because I can put this up while the power's on, so we don't want that to happen while we're on the ground. I'm going to put the bilge pump on just in case we got any water in the last flight.
Okay.
Our fuel valve selector is in the on position, and then we take the parachute pin out so that we can use it.
Skyhawk Niner 526 at Golf, taking off
we need it.
runway 4, going to...
What is the minimum altitude you need to use it? 500 feet?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm going to turn our lights on before we start. I got my feet on the brakes. I can also watch my engine gauges here in the G3X, which is very nice.
Okay.
We have 2 alternators instead of magnetos, so we're going to test each alternator as we go. About 6 seconds, we're looking for this fuel pressure light to stay off. So I'm going to switch to alternator B. Everything looks good. Fuel pressure light is staying out. And then we're going to go up to both. We're going to see the land aircraft engine lights go out, which is good. I see this number is under 50 for our TAC, and we're ready to start. Do you want to start it?
Can I?
Yep.
Okay.
I got the throttle, you just turn the key like a car. Let go. There you go.
Okay, have a pen, fuel pressure on the green. Okay. Alright, temperature is gonna be a little bit less. How much do you set it?
Peter and
I start at about 2,500 until the alternator light turns off, and then I can power down to about 2,000 RPM. So as a castering nose wheel, so I'm actually using the brakes to steer the aircraft on land. Peter 09 traffic, Icon 524, Bravo Alpha, taxiing Alpha to runway 4, Peter 09. Okay, so I'm going to do our engine run up, plus we're waiting for the oil temperature to go. So this is how we do it. We go to 4,000 RPM. I reach over here, go to B, 6 seconds. This light will come on, go to A, 6 seconds, 3, 4, 5, 6. We just want to make sure our fuel pressure light doesn't come on. Go back to B. You'll see that the engine instruments will move based on what alternator I'm on.
Okay.
Flight controls are free and clear, so this is as far left as I'm going to go. Right, forward and back. Right doesn't seem to go very far with your leg.
Are we going to do a barrel roll?
No.
Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna need it.
Alright. Checking to make sure my flaps work for water operations. Okay. We're trimmed for takeoff. Our instruments are good, our lights are all on, and our canopy is latched. We are ready to go. Peter Knight traffic, Icon 524 Bravo Alpha, taking runway 4 for a southeast departure. Peter Knight.
Okay, left base.
Clear.
Final is clear. Runway is clear. Okay, everything green here. And I got airspeed alive.
Everything's green. Airspeed is alive. Rotation speed is 50 knots. So there's my 50. I'm going to rotate.
So very
And I'm going to
fast
keep it
clock.
on the white line there on the angle of attack gauge. And we got lift.
Start positive rate.
Here's coming up.
So you fly AOA.
Yes, we teach the AOA. That white line there is our VY, and it's also our approach. It's about 58 knots on the airspeed indicator. There's downtown Tampa.
And it's beautiful.
And we're going to go to Tampa Bay and see what kind of trouble we can get into.
Esse aeroporto que a gente decolou é o Peter Knight. Ele fica na Baía de Tampa, bem pertinho da água. Em menos de 5 minutos depois de decolar da cabeceira 04, a gente já estava sobrevoando a água. E se a gente tivesse decolado da cabeceira 22, a reta de decolagem já é em cima da água. Então é bastante conveniente para fazer um treinamento de aeronave anfíbia. Agora, uma coisa eu não posso deixar passar batida, não posso deixar de comentar nesse vídeo, galera, que é a infraestrutura aeroportuária nos Estados Unidos. Esse aeroporto que a gente decolou é quase que um aeroporto regional ali na área de Tampa, mas é um aeroporto que tem 2 pistas pavimentadas, balizadas, com procedimento IFR, com mais de 200 hangares, com abastecimento de Jet A1, com abastecimento de Avegás, enfim, galera, uma baita de uma infraestrutura num aeroporto regional. E ele está no raio de 6 milhas de distância de outros 2 aeroportos que estão ali na mesma região. O aeroporto principal, o internacional de Tampa, e uma base aérea militar também que está ali bem pertinho, a 6 milhas de distância. E todos esses 3 aeroportos têm bastante tráfego aéreo, mas eles convivem muito bem. É claro que o piloto tem que saber para onde vai e tem que saber desviar dos espaços aéreos.
Stay below 1,000 feet because we are under the Class Bravo of the Tampa airport. I also have to be wary of MacDill's Air Force Base right there.
Oh, it's very close.
Yes, very close. And you can see here on the chart how close it is.
Yeah.
So if we stay to the east of these islands, we're usually in a good spot.
Okay.
So our cruise for fuel efficiency is going to be about 4,500 RPMs. If you wanted to go faster in cruise speed and burn a little more fuel, you can run it up to the yellow line there, which is about 5,500 RPMs. So one of the things we'd like to demonstrate in the Icon is a stall with the spin-resistant airframe that we have in this airplane. It's just very stable in a stall and easy to recover. So especially when people are learning how to fly in this airplane, it's less scary for them than what you might experience in another trainer. So I'm going to do a power off stall. So we'll pretend we're going in for a landing. I'm going to keep my gear up just because we're over water.
Okay.
And I'm going to pull back on the stick and be a bad pilot. So there's my warning horn. And you'll see in the angle of attack indicator in the red there, I'm in a stall.
See the buffet. You can feel the buffet?
Yep. It's an imminent stall, and I can still put control inputs into the stall as I'm maneuvering. And then to recover, just lower the nose and add some power. And it's super easy to learn.
Yes, it is.
And we just want to check out the angle of attack indicator and make sure we're gaining lift there on the white line and we're out of that warning area. So even in the stall, I was losing altitude, but I was still able, I barely have any control inputs on the rudder.
Okay.
It stays very coordinated because of the shape of the aircraft, and I just could put in little control inputs.
Vocês lembram no vídeo anterior que eu mostrei os detalhes do Icon A5 sobre como o Icon dá destaque para o mostrador de ângulo de ataque ali no painel do avião? E agora vocês já devem ter reparado como que a Suzane está sempre monitorando o ângulo de ataque. Na verdade, esse padrão de voo utilizando ângulo de ataque é bem antigo, né? Não é coisa da Icon, mas a Icon reforça bastante isso porque fica muito mais fácil de se voar. Afinal, um avião ele não estola por conta da velocidade, como muita gente pensa. Ele estola por conta do ângulo de ataque. Não é à toa que a velocidade de stall em curva é muito maior do que a velocidade de stall no voo reto nivelado, por exemplo. Mas eu não quero deixar esse vídeo muito técnico, então se vocês acham que vale a pena fazer um vídeo só falando sobre ângulo de ataque, deixa aqui embaixo nos comentários para eu saber, e aí eu faço um vídeo falando sobre ângulo de ataque.
So I'm gonna aim between those two islands down there, just because I think the water will be a little more protected from the wind.
Okay.
So it won't be as rocky and rough. So as you probably teach in seaplane flying, right? The things that I'm looking for while I'm before I go to land on the water is the water condition. I do see some whitecaps there because the wind is gusting about 20 knots today. So I'm going to choose an area that's easier, or might be easier on the airplane. I also have a smokestack over here, so I also know which way the wind is going.
Yes.
And then looking for traffic because of the weather, and there's not a lot of boats out here today.
Yeah, we look for boats, jet skis, stand-up paddles.
So I'm going to overfly our landing area at about 500 feet, and then I'll fly a pattern. And I'm going to keep the island in the center of my pattern because that's a bird preserve, so I don't want to overfly it.
Okay.
We're going to power down to 3,000 RPMs. Our gear is up, our flaps are coming down. We keep the AOA on the white line, and our water rudder is up. We don't want to land with the water rudder down.
It's not going to work too well, is it? Okay, well, make a right 360 and rejoin the downwind.
This is looking good.
All right, we're on a long final. I'm going to double check my gear again. My gear is up, my flaps are down, and my water rudder's up. I can see the wind streaks, as you probably teach in seaplane.
Yes.
I'm going to try to land into the wind streaks, but not in a shallow area.
Virtual birds just beneath us.
Okay, at about 10-15 feet, I'm going to pitch. Oh, we got some waves.
It handles better than Petronas.
Yeah?
Yeah, in this kind of water.
In the water, yeah. Oh,
beautiful.
And we just messed up our visibility for camera.
That's beautiful. Nice landing. Nice landing.
We can try the water rudder, but because of the waves and the wind, I don't know if it's going to work. But for idle taxi, we put our flaps up.
Okay.
We put our water rudder down. Power to idle. Let's see if I can make a turn. I can.
Oh, you can.
I'll give you the controls. If you want to just play with the water rudder and see if you can make turns with it.
Okay, I got controls, rudder controls. You don't have power at all, do you?
No, not an idle taxi.
Okay. For takeoff, you take off with full flaps.
Yeah. Take off, gears up, flaps are down, water rudder's up.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go full power.
Everything on wing.
Gonna get bumpy.
That's fine.
Airspeed's alive.
Whoa.
Took a wave to get up there.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you want to fly over to that area?
Can I?
Give you the controls? Yep.
Yeah, I have the
Up
controls.
there.
I have the controls.
Your controls. We can climb up to 900 feet, so if you wanted to add a little more power and pitch up, but don't go past 900. I got the radios.
Okay. Just feeling the controls.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rudder is a little bit very effective.
Yep. Very easy, yeah?
I mean, I just pretend I'm flying.
I'm just pretending too. I'm not actually flying. We'll do one more splash go, so I'm going to set up a traffic pattern here.
Okay.
I'm just checking out the water. So I'm going to try to land around here. It looks like there's more depth. Okay, so gears up, flaps are coming down, water rudder's up.
This is beautiful,
Oh,
perfect.
yeah, less waves over here. And now you have the view of Tampa
Beautiful
Bay.
Tampa Bay, yeah.
So for step taxi, gears up, flaps are down, water rudder's up.
It goes above the step, also very much easier.
Ooh. Little rough today. I'm gonna take it to a takeoff.
Okay, thanks forever. Everything is great. Okay, airspeed's alive.
We're out of the water.
I have positive return key, fine. Gear is already up.
Whee!
Purge the light. Beautiful.
Say hola Tampa Bay.
Beautiful.
Ciao Tampa Bay. Peter night traffic, Icon 4 Bravo Alpha, crossing over the approach runway 4, going to enter a right downwind for 4, Peter O. Okay, so we're beam our numbers, so we power down to 3,000 RPMs. We're in the white arc, so we're going to put our gear down. Flaps stay up, water rudders up.
05
Gears in transit, and locked and loaded, ready for landing. And I'm supposed to be flying the white line there. Peter night traffic, Icon 4 Bravo Alpha is right base for 4, turning final, Peter O. Lots of birds. Okay, coming up over the fence, our gear's down, our flaps are up, our water rudder's up. Whoa.
Hold it.
Whoa.
Have we landed yet?
We are on the ground.
Are we? I didn't feel it. Beautiful.
Galerinha, espero que vocês tenham gostado. Baita máquina, gostei bastante. O avião é bem mais dócil, tanto na água, vocês viram que a água tá agitada, tá bagunçada. Essa aqui é uma água, vem do mar, obviamente. Aqui é uma baía um pouquinho mais protegida, mas é uma água que estava bem agitada. Hoje tá com vento, tá com rajada de vento 21 nós. E o avião aí eu não senti o que eu sinto no Petrel pousando na represa, com água agitada. Então eu gostei bastante, uma baita máquina. Obviamente que a gente estava com uma piloto aí muito melhor do que eu, talvez seja isso. Mas gostei da máquina, viu? Gostei. Com certeza eu vou voar mais vezes. Próxima vez que eu vier para os Estados Unidos eu vou fazer o treinamento. E aí, obviamente, vou mostrar para vocês. Se gostaram daquele joinha, se inscreva no canal, ative o sininho. Vai ter mais e mais vídeo dessa máquina aí, ó. O Icon A5. E quem sabe eu não consigo convencer eles para deixar o seu representante no Brasil, hein? Aí ia ser top demais. Valeu, galera. Até mais.